I have the gift of seeing. That's why people call me this year. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, both the problems and the solutions. Where there is God, everything and anything is possible. Your happiness is my concern.
Yeah, hello guys, this is Isia. In this video, I want to teach you a very powerful way, a very powerful bat, like spiritual bat for protection. A lot of you have been asking me protection bat. I've done check my channel. I've made a lot of videos on spiritual cleansing, a lot powerful one, tested and trusted, no be cap. So in this video, I will be teaching you how to do spiritual bat for protection. You have to protect yourself from evil eyes, or you believe they are monitoring you somewhere. Definitely, the witches, they are not all see, they are not only, they monitor to get information. They can use insects, they can use human being, and they can even set something on you that will enable them to monitor you. Like we have physical tracker, so witches also have their own spiritual tracker. So in this video, I will teach you a very powerful way you can use to remove any form of that you can use to remove any form of evil eyes and also to protect yourself. And the item needed are very, very simple. If you like find this video helpful, do well to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Now, what you are going to need for bat protection bat, I'm going to give you three different methods. And number one method is you are going to need a red hot charcoal. Get your bathing water at night around that kind 7, 8, 9, 10. Get red hot charcoal. When I mean red hot charcoal, like get charcoal, put fire on that charcoal. As that fire is hot, red hot, you just use something to carry it and put it on the water, your bathing water, so that it dies on the water. You take another one, you get another charcoal, put on your bathing water. You take another one again, put on your bathing water. That is three charcoals. You can use three, you can use four. Now after you have put those red hot charcoal inside that bathing water, remember if you just put that charcoal fire inside your bathing water, immediately the water will start, it will die off. Then you now make the calculation. As this fire die off, anytime fire meets with water, the fire must quench. As a result, anytime my enemy, anytime the witches and wizards said something to attack me, that thing must die off while getting to me. From today henceforth, no arrow, any spiritual arrow towards me, once it gets to where I am, that spiritual arrow will fall down. It will not penetrate. As long as this water, as long as this, as long as this charcoal, as this hot charcoal enter inside this water and the fire quench, those are all the negative things that the enemy will say to me. That's how they will quench. You make prayers on that water. When you are done making that prayers on that water, then you take your bath with that water. And once you take this bath with that water, complete 3 to 4 days, you are not to have sex with anybody. You don't have sex with anybody for 3 to 4 days. No sex, no masturbation. I mean, I always kick against masturbation. Masturbation is not good spiritually. Then after you have done that, then after you have taken your bath in the night, then those three charcoal, those three charcoal that you have put inside that water, you look for a place to bury them. You can get white cloth to wrap it. You can get black cloth to wrap it. Then you wrap that's black fabric to wrap the charcoal. Then you go and look for where to bury them. But if you don't have any place to bury them, just go and dispose them. But bury them is more powerful. That's one way to do spiritual bath for protection. Then method number two you can use. Like this particular first one I mentioned now, this one expires. Yes, this one do expires. It doesn't last more than 1 to 2 months. So which means you have to be doing this at least once in a month or once in a month or once in 2 months. This particular one. Then don't think you will do it at the last forever. No, this one does not work that way. There are another method you can use, especially if you are told that they want to send you sickness. If you are told that if you are already aware that the enemy want to send bad thing to you, you do this. But you can also do it if you are not aware if they are going to send anything. Now for your protection, you do this. You get white fabric. Now that white fabric you are going to get, you get the one that will be enough for you to wrap your waist when you want to take your bath. Okay, if you are a woman, you get the one that will wrap from your breast down to your waist, right? To the ground. But if you are a man, just look for the one that will wrap your waist. like 1 year, 2 year, depending on how far it was slim you are. So get it. After you have cutted that white fabric, at night you put salt inside your bathing water. Then you tie that white fabric. Then you pray on the water. You said, whatever the enemy will set against me, whatever the enemy has planned against me, it will not happen. No fashion, no weapon fashioned against me shall prosper. Salt and evil has nothing in common. I said, I and evil will have nothing in common. From today henceforth, whatever the enemy have planned to do to me, let it go back to the center. It will not happen. It will not get to me. You pray on that water for protection. You want to be protected from evil eye. You are protected from accident. You are protected from sickness. You are protected from hatred. You are protected from setback. You are protected from promise and faith. When you are done making those prayers I just mentioned, then you remove when you are done making as you are praying, done making the prayer, then you take your bath, start it from pouring on your head. After you are done, when you are done taking your bath, just taking your full bath, then that white cloth that you tie on your waist, as you are removing it, you say, cloth that somebody don't want, the person dispose it. All that I have mentioned, I don't want them. Then as you are removing that white cloth fabric from your waist, then you fold it, then dig a grave and bury it. It's better. But in the access where you cannot dig, go and drop it in a junction or you go and drop it in a waste bin. This is the second method. This is the second method you can use to part spiritually for protection. Now the third method before I go, do well to like the video. To not remove anything from you. Like the video. This will enable you to suggest it more to other people that will need it. So that if you're liking the video, you're also helping me to help people to see the video so that it will help them too. Just like the way I've used it to help you. Remember, your happiness is always my concern. Who there is Zuzu? Where there is God, everything and anything is possible. Okay, that is the second method on how to bath for protection. Now, the third method on how to bath for protection is simple too. Now, if you want to take a bath for protection, you are going to get three bitter colas. Get three bitter cola. You soak them over the night. Soak those three bitter cola overnight. You can soak them up to 4 days. Any number of days you want to soak them, but soak it overnight. It will be more than 1 day. Any number of days you want to soak it, does not matter. Soak those bitter cola. You can choose to soak it on the bucket. Then if you don't want to soak it in the bucket, you can just choose to soak them in one small container. Then when you want to take your bath, you mix it with your full bathing water. Or if you have two buckets, you can save it in the you can uh, soak them in that your bathing water, full the water. Then when you are done, the day you want to take a bath at night, anytime at night, you will pray on that water. You will say, from today henceforth, no weapon that will fashion against me will prosper. Whatever the witches, the enemy, any evil charm anybody is planning will say to me, anything the enemy will plan to do to me, the witches are with that. Whatever they will plan to set for me, I neutralize it. It will never get to me. I want to be protected. I want to be guided. I will make the right decision. I will walk like ant, eat like an elephant. Anything promise and faith, I reject it. Anything set back, I reject it. Anything at all that will give them that power to come and be giving me food to eat in the dream, I reject it. Anything at all that will give them that power to come and be pursuing me in the dream, I reject it. I want to be protected physically, spiritually. I want to be protected physically and I want to be protected spiritually. This one helps to protect the both physical and spiritual. When you are done praying on that water, everything you want and how you want everything to be, you take your bath with the water. Remember, those three bitter colas are still inside the water. As you are taking your bath, you can still be making your prayers as you wish. Then when you are done taking the bath, then those three bitter colas that will remain inside the water, go and throw them in a junction. As I trade those three bitter colas in a junction or anywhere in the drop, you see whatever any evil the enemy will plan to say to me, they will all come to this junction. They will not locate me. That is what you are going to say. As I drop it these three bitter colas in this junction, anything that the enemy will plan to me, let's see those three bitter, let whatever they will say, any arrow they will say to me should come down to this junction. I deposit whatever they are going to say. Let it. I command them to come to this place, not to where I am. Once you do this one, whatever they are going to do, it will not even near where you are. You can use three, you can use seven. Bitter cola. Who is using? So like, share, subscribe to my channel. Like, subscribe, so that you can keep see this. Is it hungry or handsome? depending on how you see the face. See you guys in the next video. This year, case. Bye for now.